To hide the camera cutout for an app for a similar screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display, tap display, scroll down the screen, tap camera cutout. Scroll down the screen to find the app you want to adjust, or you can find the app quickly by tapping the search icon at the top right and then type the app name. As the example, we will do so for YouTube. Tap YouTube and then select hide camera cutout. To see the result, open YouTube, play video and rotate your phone to landscape mode. As you can see, your phone will add black bar in the front camera area, hiding the cutout and letting you enjoy the video without interruption. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe. Have a nice day.